Back from Texas 2K, and we're ready starting another wrap project.
This time, we're wrapping a special color. Unicorn.
Guys, we're doing another Celestial Unicorn. This car is gonna get the next unicorn treatment, Audi RS6. We already have the front end taken apart. We got the mirrors, door handles even. So we're already in the process of doing it. This is the first RS6 we've got in, I think. RS6 in Celestial Unicorn, and we're doing it now. Nice. Russell.
Yes.
I like your tan.
Thanks. I feel like I have like these little stripes on the side.
You do have little stripes on the side. Measure twice, cut once, Russell.
53, not 35.
If there's a car made for Celestial Unicorn, it's the RS6. The perfect body lines show off all the colors, and they're aggressive enough to add a nice contrast to the soft colors. A cool thing about this particular color is that depending on the car it's on, certain colors of the spectrum get emphasized. On the RX-7 we did, it was more goldish and purple hints, whereas with this, you see more pinkish purple and the gold is hinted. So it's pretty cool because it's like each car brings out a different side to the wrap. Since the car was white, we had to make extra sure that none of the factory paint showed through, so we took extra time to remove panels to wrap around where we could. We even wrapped the antenna on top. That thing, despite being small, is so hard because of the shape and angles. It's pretty cool to see a Celestial Unicorn antenna. And as if the wrap wasn't glossy and bright enough, we ceramic coated the entire surface for more shine, more pop. Just the way the light hits the body lines, it's so sharp. Plus, it'll make it easier to clean since water now beats off the slick surface. At the time of this video, we have one last roll of Celestial Unicorn left, so once it's gone, it's gone. So if you want this limited edition color, hit us up while supplies last.
Today's your first day seeing the car.
I am blown away.
Thank you so much for the opportunity.
What do you think, Russell?
I think it's pretty cool.
Are you proud of your work?
Yeah. Guys, if you like that vlog, click that like button, subscribe, comment. We'll see you later. So unsexy.